Why should I avoid waiting until peak season for HVAC service? You should schedule service before peak season because technicians become busier, appointments take longer, prices may rise, and small problems can become expensive breakdowns. Before summer heat or winter cold arrives, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technicians often receive many emergency calls at once. That rush can make it harder to get a convenient appointment, especially if your system stops working during a heat wave or freezing weather. A seasonal inspection can find problems such as dirty filters, weak electrical connections, low refrigerant, worn belts, or blocked drainage before they cause trouble. Fixing a small issue early is usually less expensive than replacing several damaged parts after a complete failure. Early service can also improve airflow, which helps every room feel more comfortable and may reduce wasted energy. A useful fact is that an air conditioner can lose cooling ability when its outdoor coil is covered with dirt, even though the system still seems to run normally. Ask the technician to check safety controls, airflow, refrigerant levels, electrical parts, and the condition of the ductwork. Changing the filter regularly and keeping plants, grass, and stored items away from the outdoor unit can also help the system work properly. One common mistake is waiting for strange noises or weak airflow to become severe, so schedule an inspection when you first notice a change. Another mistake is assuming a system that still turns on needs no attention, because hidden electrical or drainage problems can worsen quietly. Have it checked before heavy use begins. Some homeowners also choose the cheapest service without confirming what the visit includes, so ask whether the inspection covers safety testing, cleaning, measurements, and a written explanation of needed repairs. Never ignore a burning smell, repeated circuit breaker trips, gas odor, or carbon monoxide alarm. Turn the system off, leave the area if necessary, and contact a qualified professional or emergency service. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.